Hello everyone! Glass noodle stir fry is another light and well-balanced meal that I'm sharing with you today. There's a wide variety of glass noodles available, each offering a unique texture and taste. Today's recipe, I've chosen mung bean vermicelli, which is thinner and less starchy compared to other types. Let's begin with a sliced pork shoulder into thin slices. Then we're going to marinate sliced pork shoulder. You definitely can use different cuts of pork as long as there's a little fat with the meat for the stir fry. I'm trying to maintaining a health-conscious approach to cooking, but it doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or excitement. To marinate sliced pork, half tablespoon of 5 spices, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoon light soy sauce. I have linked all the ingredients and spices in the description for your reference. 1 tablespoon Shaoxing cooking wine and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Another 1 tablespoon sesame oil. So once all the spices have been added, then we're gonna mix thoroughly and massage the ingredients for a couple of minutes. This process ensures that the flavors permeate the pork slices. Then we'll sit on the side for 10 to 15 minutes, give it time to marinate while you prepare the remaining vegetables for the stir fry. Also, you may pre-soak glass noodles in cold water right after marinating the pork. Next, we're going to slice all vegetables into thin slices. For this particular stir fry, I have chosen to incorporate a vibrant medley of bell peppers in 3 different colors, along with the cabbage. If you don't mind a little heat, add a cup of Thai chilies, but it's totally optional. The addition of cabbage complements the bell peppers perfectly, bringing the delightful crunch and the subtle sweetness to the dish. We'll also need 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I like to use a knife, smash garlic, kind of crush them. Then it's easy to remove the shell. Then we're gonna just use a knife, run through roughly. And that's it. This is all the ingredients we need for glass noodle stir fry. We have a pre-soaked glass noodles. We soaked about 10 to 15 minutes. We have sliced vegetables, crushed garlic, and a cup of slice of Thai chili. I have about 1 pound of sliced pork shoulder marinated, and I'm going to cook all of them, only using half of portion to stir fry glass noodles. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the wok. Wait until you see light smoke, then add all pork in. Once the pork slices are added to the wok, maintain a continuous and consistent stir fry motion. This technique ensures that the moisture within the pork evaporates evenly, resulting in the desirable texture and flavor. Keep stir frying until moisture has completely evaporated and the pork slices have developed delightful crustiness around their edges. Additionally, the color of the pork should turn a rich shade of brown, indicating that it has been properly cooked and caramelized. Stir fry about 3 to 5 minutes, then adding garlic and Thai chilies. Continuing stir fry, tossing around about 1 minute to 2 minutes, then we'll add in all bell peppers. Continuing stir fry, combine bell peppers and meat well together about 2 minutes. And next, cabbage goes in. After adding the cabbage to the wok, continue stir fry for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. We want to have a desired level of softness in the cabbage while ensuring it is well combined with the bell peppers and the pork slices. Consistently stir fry about 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to strike a balance where the cabbage retains a slight crispiness while becoming tender enough to enjoy. After 2 minutes of stir fry, add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon soy sauce and continuing stir fry. Continue to stir fry the ingredients for approximately 2 minutes. This duration allows the flavors from sauces to infuse into the vegetables. Then we're going to add half tablespoon of salt. Give a few tosses after added the salt. Lastly, we'll add pre-soaked glass noodles in. And now we'll carefully combine the glass noodles with the cooked vegetables and the pork slices. Ensure that the noodles are thoroughly coated with a flavorful mixture. Be very gentle with the stir-fry motion at this stage, not to break the delicate vermicelli noodles into small pieces. This whole process is on medium to medium-low heat to prevent glass noodles stick on the bottom of the wok. Once the glass noodles are well combined with all other ingredients, cover the wok with a lid and turn off the stove. Allow the residual heat from the wok to continue cooking the dish. By covering the stir-fry, we create a gentle steaming environment that helps to further soften and cook the glass noodles without overcooking the other ingredients. And there you have it, a delightful glass noodle stir-fry that brings together a medley of flavors of textures, from the initial marination of the pork to gentle stir-frying of the vegetables and the careful incorporation of the glass noodles. Every step has been crafted to create a dish that is both flavorful and visually appealing. I love to experiment with different ingredients, ensuring that my dishes not only remain delicious, but also promote a mindful and a nutritious lifestyle. Enjoy this glass noodle stir-fry as a wholesome and satisfying meal that not only pleases the palate, but also nourishes the body. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bon appetit, happy cooking, friends!